Hello and welcome dear student. This is Chandrakant here and today we have JEE question 2024 for alpha comma beta belongs to 0 comma pi by 2. Let 3 sin alpha plus beta equal to 2 sin alpha minus beta and a real number k be such that tan alpha equal to k tan beta. Then the value of k is equal to, we have given that 3 sin alpha plus beta equal to 2 sin alpha minus beta, and we know that formula sin a plus minus b equal to sin a cos b plus minus cos a sin b. Now using this formula in above equation first, then we got that 3 into sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. Now 2 into sin alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sin beta. Now 2 sin alpha cos beta and 3 sin alpha cos beta. Now we swapping both equation, then this will be sin alpha cos beta. Now 3 cos alpha sin beta and minus 2 cos alpha sin beta. Now swapping by both equation, then this will be minus 5 cos alpha sin beta. Now dividing both equation by cos alpha cos beta and this will be cos alpha cos beta. Cos alpha cancel out, cos beta cancel out, and sin alpha upon cos alpha, this will be tan alpha, and this is minus 5 sin beta upon cos beta, this will be tan beta. Now comparing with this equation, then here the value of k equal to minus 5. If we compare this equation with the tan alpha equal to k into tan beta, then we got the value of k equal to minus 5, and the option is C correct. Now next question is given that let the set of all a belongs to R such that the equation cos 2x plus a sin x equal to 2a minus 7 has a solution B, closed interval p comma q and R tan 9 degree minus tan 27 degree minus 1 upon cot 63 degree plus tan 81 degree. Then the PQR is equal to. Now we have the question cos 2x a sin x equal to 2a minus 7. We have the formula of cos 2x in the form of sin x 1 minus 2 sin square x, then this will be 1 minus 2 sin square x plus, if we swap both equation, then this will be a into sin x minus 2 and this will be plus 7 equal to 0. Now 1 plus 7 equal to 8, then this will be 8 minus 2 sin square x plus a into sin x minus 2 equal to 0. Now taking 2 common, this will be 4 minus sin square x plus a into sin x minus 2 equal to 0. Now if we take minus 2, then this will be sin square x minus 4 plus a into sin x minus 2 equal to 0, and we know that a square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b. Then we using this formula in this equation, then this will be equal to minus 2 into sin x minus 2 into sin x plus 2 plus a into sin x minus 2 equal to 0. Now if we take sin x minus 2 will be common, then this will be equal to sin x minus 2 will be common, then minus 2 into sin x plus 2 plus a equal to 0. Now sin x minus 2, and this is minus 2 into sin x minus 2 sin x minus 4 plus a equal to 0. Now this cannot be equal to 0. Sin x is not equal to 2, so we can say that sin x minus 2 not equal to 0. Then this will be equal to 0, then minus 2 sin x minus 4 plus a equal to 0. Now a equal to 2 sin x plus 4, and we know that the value range of sin x is minus 1 to 1, and multiply by both side 2 minus 2 sin x less than equal to 2, and if we add 4 both sides, then this will be 4 minus 2 into 4 plus 2 sin x 2 plus 4, and the range of 4 plus 2 sin x will be 2 to 6 2 sin x cos x. Then we have asked solution of this p comma q closed interval in p comma q. Then here the value of p equal to 2 and q equal to 6. Now r equal to tan 9 degree minus tan 27 degree minus 1 upon cot 63 degree plus tan 81 degree. Then now r equal to tan 9 degree minus tan 27 degree minus 1 upon cot 63 degree plus tan 81 degree. Now if you swap both tan 9 degree and tan 81 degree, and 1 upon cot 63 degree will be tan 63 degree, and then r equal to tan 9 degree plus tan 81 degree minus tan 27 degree, and this will be minus tan 63 degree. Now r equal to tan 9 degree will be as, and this can be written as tan 90 degree minus 9 degree, and minus tan 27 degree, and this can be written as tan 90 degree minus 27 degree. Then r equal to tan 9 degree, and this will be cot 9 degree, tan 90 minus theta, this will be cot theta, then cot 9 degree, and tan 27 degree minus can be taken common, and this will be plus cot 27 degree in the form of sin theta cos theta tan theta equal to sin theta upon cos theta, then r equal to sin 9 degree upon cos 9 degree plus, and this can be written as cos 9 degree upon sin 9 degree minus, and this can be written as sin 27 degree upon cos 27 degree plus cos 27 degree, and this will be sin 27 degree. Now taking LCM, then this will be r equal to sin square 9 degree, and this will be cos square 9 degree, then sin square 9 degree plus cos square 9 degree upon cos 9 degree plus into 9 degree, and this will be minus sin square 27 degree plus cos square 27 degree, sin square 27 degree plus cos square 27 degree upon cos 27 degree, and this will be sin 27 degree. Now sin square theta plus cos square theta, this will be 1, and this will be also 1. Sin square 27 degree plus cos square 27 degree, then we can write it as r equal to 1 upon sin 9 degree cos 9 degree minus 1 upon sin 27 degree into cos 27 degree, and by multiplying to both numerator and denominator, and we can also multiply here also 2 into denominator and numerator, and r equal to 2 upon sin, this will be sin 2 sin theta cos theta, then sin 2 theta, this will be sin 18 degree, and minus 2 upon sin 27 degree and cos 27 degree, this will be sin 2 into 27 54 sin 54 degree. Now we know that sin 18 degree equal to root 5 minus 1 upon 4, and sin 54 degree, this will be root 5 plus 1 upon 4, then r equal to 2 upon root 5 minus 1 upon 4 minus 2 upon root 5 plus 1 upon 4. By solving this will be 8 upon root 5 minus 1 minus 8 upon root 5 plus 1, then r equal to, this will be 8 into root 5 taking LCM plus 5 plus 1 minus root 5 minus 1 minus plus 1 upon root 5 minus 1 into root 5 plus 1 minus 5 minus root 5, this will be cancelled out, and r equal to 8 into, this will be 2, and root 5 a square minus b square, this will be equal to a minus b into a plus b, then 5 minus 1, and this is 4, 16 by 4, this will be 4, and we know that p equal to 2, q equal to 6, and r equal to 4, then pqr 2 into 6 into 4, this will be 48. This is the our answer. and this will be equal to 48. Rest of we will see in the next video. Okay, thank you.